In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently print a PDF document using Google Drive. Whether you're using a desktop or a laptop, these steps are straightforward and easy to follow. Now let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google Drive's website. Simply type in the URL or search for it if you're not already familiar. Once there, you'll need to log into your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, ensure that you're logged into the one that has the PDF document you intend to print. This will give you access to all your files stored on Google Drive. If you're already signed in, you should see your drive open up with all your stored files displayed. Next, navigate through your Google Drive to locate the specific PDF file you want to print. Once you found it, double-click on it. This action will open the PDF file in Google Drive's built-in viewer. It's pretty convenient because Google Drive allows you to view PDFs without needing any additional software, making it a seamless experience. With the PDF document open in the viewer, direct your attention to the upper part of the screen where you will find a row of icons. Look for the small printer icon. This icon is your gateway to printing your document. You can either click on this printer icon to open the print dialog box, or if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts for a quicker experience, simply press Ctrl plus P on Windows or CMD plus P on a Mac. Both options achieve the same outcome and will prompt the print dialog box to appear. When the print dialog box opens up, you'll be presented with several options. Here, you select the printer you wish to use from the printer menu. If you are connected to a printer directly or through your network, it should appear on the list of devices. Now, you'll also be able to adjust the print settings according to your preferences, whether that's selecting the number of copies, double-sided printing, or adjusting any other printer-specific options. After setting your preferences, simply click the print button to start the printing process. Now, here's a handy tip. If you don't have a printer available, or if you'd like to save a digital copy, you can select Save as PDF from the printer menu. This option allows you to save an updated version of your document onto your computer, which can be printed later when you have access to a printer. And there you have it! Printing a PDF from Google Drive is that simple. With these steps, managing your documents through Google Drive can become part of your routine with ease, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient.